Sa una ang cute, kasi selosa ang girlfriend ko. Sabi ko, hala, grabe naman. Grabe yung takot niyang mawala ako. Siguro ganyan talaga pag nagmamahal ng totoo. Ni ayaw kang ipakausap sa iba. Grabe, ang gwapo ko. Sorry, to ako. Pero kalaunan parang iba na yung takbo. Ni hindi ko makausap pati mga kaibigan ko. Naiintindihan ko naman, dati na siyang naloko. Pero hindi pa ba sapat lahat ng pinapakita at ginagawa ko? Sinurrender ko naman lahat ng password sa phone, sa tablet, sa PC ko. Pati nga paglabas kasama ng mga pinsan, nagve-video call pa ako. Kailangan on time akong nakauwi. Tatawag yan, panigurado. Ang OA na kasi, para na akong preso. Ako si Kiko, jowa ng overthinker. Konti na lang, baka hiwalayan ko na to. That one is sad, no? Sad lang siya kasi it's kinda ironic. Obviously, the person is doing that kasi takot siyang mawala ka sa buhay niya. Takot siya na ma-replace siya sa buhay mo. Takot siya na one day makakita ka ng higit pa sa kanya. Little did she know that by doing that, by being overprotective of the sanctity of your relationship, she is already pushing you away. Na siya yung tao na gumagawa ng paraan para maghiwalay kayong dalawa. My love, I don't know if it's part of an immature type of relationship or it's caused by immaturity. Pero I really don't get kasi talaga yung exchange of passwords eh. I don't get it kapag kailangan alam ng partner mo yung passcode ng cellphone mo, ng PC mo. That is your private stuff eh. I mean, not because you have your privacy, that necessarily means you'll take it as an opportunity para saktan yung isang tao. Kumbaga, it's not a test of trust kasi trust should never be tested. Kailangan andun na yun sa relationship eh. You committed yourself into a relationship like that. Dapat pagtiwalaan mo yung taong yun. Kasi kung wala kang tiwala sa kanya and yet nag-commit ka ng relationship sa kanya, diba? What does that tell about you? O diba? Kung ano sasabihin niyan tungkol sa'yo? That you are this type of person na kapag may gusto ka, kahit hindi pa buo yung tiwala mo sa kanya, kahit hindi pa lubos yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya, go ka lang ng go? Kaya sa mga kabisyo natin, once you enter a relationship, make sure that you already trust that person. Huwag niyong i-build yung tinatawag nilang trust habang nagsisimula na kayo ng relationship kasi that's going to be hard. You'll have to spend every single day proving to one another that you can be trusted. And that's a chore. Gawain siya. It's a task. It's work. And when it's a relationship, instead of you enjoying the company of each other, para kayo nagpapasikatan sa loob ng relasyon. O ayan na, alam mo na lahat ng passwords ko, PC, ganyan. Ngayon kung hahanapin mo ko, you can even call my mom. Here's her number. Is that the kind of relationship that you really want to build? A relationship na para kayong, alam niyo yun, para kayong masyadong open book sa isa't isa to the point na wala ng mystery sa isa't isa. I'm not saying that you hide anything from each other. I'm not even saying or suggesting na you lie or be dishonest sa isa't isa. All I'm saying is, my love, keep the mystery alive sa relasyon nyo. Kasi if you know the password of each other, then there's no point in communicating with one another. Wala na kayong mapag-uusapan. Kasi even before niya sabihin sa'yo what happened to his or her day, alam mo na. Why? Kasi you stalked. You stalked the messenger. You've read the messages. There's nothing more to tell. Yun yung importance kasi nun, my love eh. Na hindi mo alam yung ilang mga private things sa partner mo. It's like you telling your partner that you can tell me whenever you're ready to tell me the story and we can talk about it. A piece of conversation for us each and every day. Kasi how can you ask a person, how was your day? Kung basically, alam mo na yung nangyari sa buong araw because you saw it. You saw all the group chats, alam mo yung pinag-usapan nila, you even know the details already. What else is there to share when you already know everything without even you asking the person? Kasi na-invade mo na yung personal space niya. Natanggalan mo na siya ng opportunity to share. Natanggalan mo na siya ng opportunity to share with you how her or his day went. My love, mahirap maging partner yung overthinker. Kasi you don't even know how and what else can you do to prove yourself dun sa taong yun. It's hard to be a partner ng isang overthinker because nothing that you do or say will ever be enough for them. At sa ganung klaseng relationship, there's only one word to describe it. A relationship na parang walang boundary. Parang walang mystery. Parang lahat kailangan explained. Lahat ng explanation kailangan ma-expound. Lahat kailangan ng permission. May isang word to describe that kind of relationship. And that is toxic. That kind of relationship is a toxic type of relationship. So if you don't want it, my love, then I guess it's about time that you build your trust first sa isang tao. Get to know that person deeply before ka makipagrelasyon sa kanya. That's what we did or how we do it back in our days. I just hope this generation can follow. Claro? Claro.